Hi guys, welcome to another video. And so, since I told you I was done with slime, I have one slime package coming in the mail, but then I'm getting rid of it. Hope you guys like my hair. It's really messy, but we're getting rid of it soon because I've had it for a while and it just, I don't know. But this is going to be called the Squishy Squad, so let's redo that. Hey guys, welcome to my video. Please like and subscribe to my video and comment down hashtag Squishy Squad to become a squishy. That is my new thing for the beginning. So yeah, this is my first video for the squishy thing, of course. I want to show you, I just got some new stuff, and for the first video, I'm going to be trying to fix one of my new squishies that actually got ruined because of my dog, Bobo. Yeah, I'm staring at you, dog. First, I knew I was going to be making more videos often, so I had to get something for the phone to do awesome videos. So I got this little monkey. Make sure he sticks. Okay, so we're just going to place him hang on guys, I just gotta clear a little spot. There we go. So, got a pretty nice view, I think. Fortunately, that didn't work. So, yeah, I think I do have a pretty nice view. I wanted this to be over more so you could see that pretty thing in the background. Except for the hanger. Don't mind the hanger. But, you know. So, like and subscribe to my video before I get started. So, here's my squishy. He was $10. As you can see, he's got a like rip in his foot. He's got a big air bubble. He's missing some paint. This up here, one reason. My dog, looking at you again. He ripped off his head. I left that part out. I used this knife and this super glue. I super glued his head back on. See, it's just a little bit messy back there, but we're going to be fixing that soon. I don't know why it looks pink in the camera. We'll be fixing that soon. So, yeah. Let's get on with the video. Yo. I don't know how many times I can do that. So, first we're going to place my little guy over here. And I think that, you know, we just need to give him a few more touch-ups with the super glue. And, yeah. We're going to do that now. Sorry guys if you hear any background noise. My pap is in the kitchen because we just got back from the store from getting this stuff. Here we go. And so I glued his foot back on. See? Not turn off. He's still gonna have an air bubble there. Nothing you can do though. Okay, I got his hand glued back on too. He's got one in here. Well, this super glue makes the thing look shiny, and I accidentally got one all over the one, so now I have to put it all over the other hand because it dries shiny too. So it like always looks like that, and I don't want to look weird, so now it looks better. So he's got a little shiny paws. See, I had to fix him up in there. I fixed his ear already. Nope, there's still a hole in there. And every time I glue it on, I always give it a little overcoat. So I go like this, then I just go over it with the glue. And yeah, don't worry, this stuff is going to be gone because we're going to be painting over it with white. So yeah. I might do I might do another video, like, there might be a part 2 to this, I'm not sure. So yeah, I'm practically just covering up some things. So if you want, you could skip this part until you see me like painting or whatever you want to see. So yeah, I think I fixed up all of his spots. I hate the feeling of super glue when it hits you. Second, I got these brushes. Okay, first I'm actually probably going to need this white one. I'm going to need this white one. Sorry guys, my pap was just passing through. Right here is this white one. Probably going to use that for the white. No, I need it a little bit smaller. So I'll probably use this one. Let me see. Yep, there we go. We're going to do that one. So next, this video is probably going to be sort of long. Sorry. Got these. Go get out the white. Well, it is made to not come out. Oh, good. It comes with the brush. I didn't know that. I just bought this whole pack of brushes for nothing. So, yeah. I'm just going to open this up along the side. And by the way, I'm using white. As you can see, I'm using white. So, yeah, I'm just going to, like, set this over here. And get to shredding. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, God, my battery's dying. It's on 10%. No. Okay, so I'll get some white paint. So yes, of course, it's not going to be perfect, but, you know, I'm trying, and as long as I try, that's all that matters. So I got that one little piece right over there, see? Now I have another piece over here that needs it. Trying to be very careful because there's a black piece in here too that needs to be repainted over. Give that a second to dry. Need to fill in a little bubble. There we go, and it's all dry. Now I just gotta get some white paint and paint over it. my mom should be home soon. I don't think she'll be home in the video, though. The video will probably be over by then, because she'll be home in about 15 minutes, because she gets off work right now. I don't know, you guys might be, you might not be. So there we go, that's the best touch-up I can do right now. I see something. Like, he won't be looking like he's brand new, but he will be looking like sort of good. Like, he'll be looking better than what he did, is what I'm gonna say. And now, I did need pink for up the front, but I didn't have pink, but I do have red. And if it's too dark, I have some white. So, that looks pretty good. If you guys want to just skip this, this is probably going to take a little bit. Go ahead. Because I'm not going to speed it up. My phone might die randomly, so if it does turn off, then I'll just do a part 2. Or maybe I'll do a part 2 showing how it turned out afterwards. So yeah, I just touched up the little side right there best I could. Need to cover up this one piece that got on it. Yeah, I think it looks good. Now we're going to get on to the black. But real quick, I'm going to open this back up now. Because I need to real quick just make her really like a pink. Did not work. No. Get off my brush now so I can fix it. That's the pink I wanted. There went my pap. As you guys can see, I messed up a little bit, but whenever that dries, I'm just going to go over a little white coat. See, I messed up right there. All good. We all good. We all good. We all good. On to the black. I'm going to use a medium-sized brush like this. This is what I'm going to use. The black. And I'm also going to have to use a smaller brush, like, where's it at? Or like this. I'm going to need 2 brushes for the black, because I have 2 different parts. First, I'm just going to go in with the big brush. Now this will take a couple codes, so it's not going to be done tonight. So you won't see the finishing product of him for a little bit, because I might need to do another coat tomorrow. We'll do another coat around 9. It's 8 o'clock right now.
Huh?
There's the dog. Oh, you can't see him. Hey, baby. Yeah, it's gonna need one more coat. There goes my papa's walking background. See, it's gonna need one more coat. It's got some gray spots. I'm just gonna go a little bit more.
There it is. There it is.
He's playing with my dog. Now, this is not acrylic paint, so it will not dry up my squishy. Acrylic paint does tend to dry up your squishy, and it does make it the paint start to peel off, which is probably what they used to make this. As you can see, still a little gray on it. I'm just going to have to do another coat later on. So I've got a few little pieces on the other foot. Like I said, if you want to, you could skip this. You can skip the whole video if you'd like. It doesn't matter. You got to see most of the part. So yes, thank you for watching my video. I'm actually going to shut off the camera now and fix him later. Like, just keep fixing him, and then I'll show you the finishing results. So yeah. Bye, guys, because my phone is dying. I'm sorry. Say bye, Piggy.